working group. It is a year-long policy research project. I'm Josh Busby, the associate professor and director of the project. These are year-long research projects, typically for a client. We're in the waning stages of this project, but this is part one of a series of presentations we'll be giving. A team of graduate students will be accompanying me to DC next week, where we'll be presenting to our clients, including climate advisors, and then some other interested parties, the State Department, World Watch Institute, and C2ES. I want to thank the students for their tremendous effort, and I know that they're hurting because it's been quite a difficult stretch of work. They have completed what you'll be hearing about today is the part one of two major group projects. Part one is about sectoral approaches to addressing climate change, and the second half are country papers looking at a handful of major economies that are the largest contributors of greenhouse gases. All of the sectoral papers and the country papers soon to be will be up on our blog site under the publications window. There are a whole host of blog posts that the students have also written. Just a word about the intuitions of the class. Tremendous problem we all know that the world faces with climate change. Difficult situation diplomatically, internationally, and in this country in terms of implementation challenges, and those challenges are experienced by a number of countries around the world. But when you look at the top 15 countries, and if you treat the EU as a single unit, you can observe that 3/4 of the world's greenhouse gas emissions are contributed by just those 15 political actors. And so the intuitions behind this course were, could you identify opportunities within the major economies by focusing your efforts on the largest contributors, both at the country level and within the countries, the largest sectoral contributors, to look for low-hanging fruit and opportunities that might create the breakthroughs and build confidence so that we may be able to address this problem and minimize the adverse consequences. And so those, what the sectoral papers and the country papers are addressing are both the prospects for emissions reductions, and the major contributions we make are looking at the implementation challenges and how to overcome them. And so each our groups are going to have 15 minutes to present, and then we'll hold questions till the end, if you will, just so that all of the groups get a chance to present. And then we'll go ahead and get started. So our first group is going to be short-lived climate forcers, and then we'll be followed by the land use and agriculture group, then transport, and then energy efficiency, and then last but not least, energy production. So without further ado, I'll turn it over to our short-lived climate forcers group. Thank you.